Good day, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Welcome to another stream. This is my third one in the last few minutes. Did topics on Libre, US dollar affecting Bitcoin, will crypto bounce back? Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about trading psychology. This came up a lot in my alerts today. So some of the articles I'll cover as well. And before I get started, I just want to show you, this is just one, what I'm going to talk about is automation. But when you automate that's what automation does. It takes out all that trading Bitcoin, either that or Ethereum or any Bitcoin really. You're going to have a problem. This psyche since October at, let's say 10,000, goes up to 19,000, along comes this big drop. Those people will be taking buses for the rest of their lives to some crappy minimum wage job because they have a bad attitude towards how things work in the world of life and trading and all that. So you can see already it's coming back, and that's why this thing's starting to do that. So let's talk about this. We've got this story here. Came out November 28th, today. So now you get these boneheads. Analyst warns of new Bitcoin price drop as whales take profit. And even if it does or doesn't, what do you care? Okay, if you're automating and you know how to program, you can lower your risk on the downside. You can actually eliminate your risk on the downside and just suspend your bot and only trade on these leg ups. And look again, these charts don't lie. $10,000 to $19,000. All right, so there's that. So don't listen to the boneheads, okay? So let's go over these articles here. Where's my other article I just lost here? So this article was found, if you can, crypto-news-flash.com. So this is the name of the article. Analysts warn of new Bitcoin price drop as whales take profits. Analysts predict a possible drop in price to 12,000 if support levels are lost in the 15,000. Bitcoin whales took profit when BTC touched 19,300, causing the crash of the crypto market. Okay, that's possible. I've shown you the chart. I'm just going to read the highlights here. The interesting thing about psychology of market speculation is this. Many traders who swore they would be buyers of a big dip when the price was 19,000 will actually become sellers under $15,000. Okay, here's another one. We have one around 13,600, 14,000, which is high of the summer. It's not likely that we're going to break anywhere further than towards 12,000. I think that the 13,600 to 14,000 level is already the level we're going to sustain. Well, okay, what can you do there? Bitcoin whales stop price before all-time high. Yeah, they set a target and they get out. But look what's happening now. Let this again. This is MotiveWave. Don't forget about the 30% off with MotiveWave. MotiveWave.com. Here, it's bounced back, and I'm already making a little bit of money. Okay, so when it comes to automation, and you know how to do it, you can do really well. If you're trading like a human, you're going to get decimated. And even if it does go down, so what? There's going to be, if you know how to trade off of oscillation moves that move up, you can profit. And you can design a trading bot, again, with automation to minimize that. So let's look at some more articles. So that's just a classic example where people will become big little babies and cry of all the places, Forex Live, Forex trading, ForexLive.com. Again, name the article, Psychology of Trading Basics. Now, this is written just lately, okay? Importance of psychology. Main psychology with Bitcoin is all about that false hope on that latest drop. But yet, here we are talking profit within 12 hours. Self-control. Okay, so false hopes you eliminate with automation. Self-control you pretty well build into the bot, and if you get really good at it, you're able to control that downside and minimize it or even eliminate it. Downside protection. That's why this thing's been doing really well. I didn't generate an equity curve, but I mean, it went from 16K to they're a genius. Look at Robinhood traders. They think they're geniuses, that you're dealing with markets continually going up. Along comes the market, something happens to the technology. On Robinhood, they get all crushed and they start losing money. And they think they're genius traders. They only got genius traders because of luck. Okay, that's the only thing. It's luck that got them there, and that's what these frat boys always forget. Next one, Armchair Trader. The armchairtrader.com. Trading psychology. Some of the common mind games that can trip you up when trading. Written November 16th. Common problems. Fear. We just talked about that. I don't have to talk about it. You already know about it. Oh, that's a really long article. So, at the end of the day, that's what automation does. It takes away a lot of those emotions. Okay, so let's go through this. Quantlabs.shop. Now, obviously, I'm here to pitch stuff. You don't like it? That's cool. You can drop off anytime you want. USB keys I got available, like they're $20-$25. I got a limited edition of these branding ones. You can go into that. That's again at quantlabs.shop. If you want to know about trading at an automated level, Python's the best language. Trading bots with this course here, trading infrastructure with cryptocurrency. If you started in August, built your first bot, as I said, look at the chart. If you started in here, right here, and you put in 10 grand, you'd be up profit another 10 grand in a month. That's pretty good return for putting the work in to learn about trading bots. So if you want to take that course, right here it is at quantlabs.shop. Now here's the sale that we're doing right now, the Quant Elite. That includes everything I do. If you're lazy and you can't do this, no problem. I got trading signals that enable you to receive the signals from my server, which these bots work off of, and at the same time they will work in your favor. I actually go in and install the Python client code, so you can receive these signals, email, and via email, and then automate your trading on the bot's behalf right into your either Kraken or Binance account. Now, if you're in the US, go with Kraken because I'm only trading Ethereum and Bitcoin, and these are the reasons why. Okay, these are just, I would say right now it's like money grows on trees. These are rare opportunities, and will it last? I just put up oh shit. Oh man, I'm an idiot. Sorry about that. Okay, so let me make some highlights here. I just realized I'm talking and just on the camera here. Okay, so this is the chart I was talking about. Bitcoin, it's been, if you're at $10,000, you move on up. Okay, that's how much you would be up. Okay, so if you started working on your bot up until this point, you would have doubled your money. Okay, in 2 months. Same with Ethereum, and Ethereum's going to continue to move up because Ethereum 2 is coming out this week, and now they're bringing out Facebook, the Libra in January as a stable coin. That's going to be a massive move up. I can easily move to wherever Libra goes. Maybe they might bring out a digital yuan. You can trade that and speculate it, but you can take away all the automation, or with the automation, will take away all these, crybaby stories right here, especially with this one, the psychology again. The article, forexlive.com, psychology of trading basics. And again, we went through the emotions: fear, greed, excitement, false hopes. That's a big one, as I said, because people will see these dips and get all scared, and they'll swear off of Bitcoin. But yet, if they waited it out and knew how it worked, they'd be up like quite a bit. Like just this one move might have been all you needed for the month, but it's just continuing to go up on the 15-minute chart. So, you know, that's how you separate the men from the boys, as they say. And again, you got more despair, joy, luck, all that stuff. Okay, so if you automate again with this course that I've got, the Python course, that right there is your best starting point to build crypto, and even Forex trading bots as well. Forex I don't like, retail Forex that is, I don't like unless you're trading on Interactive Brokers, but there's just better ways to trade as well with currencies, futures market, let's say. So that will help a lot. And again, this is what was, as of today, midnight today, this amount right there. Okay, and that's just from trading the equivalent of 1 Bitcoin. So that's what automation does. It takes away all those negative emotions, and you still get to keep all the positive and happy day emotions as well. So that's pretty well it. That's why I'm saying automate is the answer to overcome all this negative stuff. And the thing is, with trading on crappy platforms like MetaTrader or any of these other ones, they're going to limit you. With the combination of both, as I said, MotoWave here, 30% off, MotoWave.com till Monday for the Black Friday. You know, you can do really well with that, as well as Python if you get right into it. It's a fairly easy language to learn. All right, so let's see how things are going. I appreciate everybody. If you guys got a question, let me know. I'll gladly go over it. I think I'm going to stop for a while on streams because I just put up 3 or 4 in the last couple hours. But I appreciate that, and we'll leave it at that. I might do an informal Q&A later tonight. Remember, I'm in Eastern Standard Time, so just do a subscribe to my channel or like whatever. Maybe it might notify you, might not, whatever. But we'll leave it at that. So if you want to really take advantage, get on this QuantLabs Elite, quantlabs.net/elite. It's very important. If you are really taking your trading seriously, you're already missed out on probably, if you put in 1 Bitcoin, you'd be up $40,000 since November 11th. I mean, it's a no-brainer. And again, look, this is the chart of Bitcoin. So this you can go anywhere you want. These aren't lies. Yeah, that's a daily view of how Bitcoin has moved up, as well as Ethereum. And then there's other coins out there, the little altcoins that have easily outperformed both of these. So if you automate, MotoWave is a really good one to start with as a platform for whatever exchange you want to be on. They do support Kraken. They do support Coinbase for Americans, as well as the big one you want to be on is Binance, which they also support. So you can trade like that, or go with Python. And again, the course, a lot of people ask me, where do I start? As I start with this, the Python course, as well as part of the Elite. It's 1 year, plus you get all the signals, and even if you don't know how to program, you get the signals and sync it up with your trading account and exchange. And hey, I even go in and install it for you. And here's a good starting point. If you want to talk, just go to quantlabs.net/questions. Answer these questions, get them into this email, and if it's not good there, again, that's at quantlabs.net/questions. I got this little plus button. You can join my WhatsApp group as well. I make it real simple for you. And if you don't want to do anything, just get free stuff. Just go to quantlabs.net, fill out that form there, and you get yourself some free PDF books. We'll leave it at that. But thanks for watching. We shall talk to you later, and have a good day. Thanks.